Transform your bathing experience with the Niagara Bayswater Chrome Bath Shower Mixer Tap, available here at Bella Bathrooms. Crafted from durable brass and featuring a polished chrome finish, this tap exudes elegance and sophistication. With crosshead handles and classic white indices delivering a smooth full-turn operation, you'll have complete control over your water flow. The sleek traditional curved design adds a touch of timeless beauty to any bathroom. With a generous 153mm spout reach and deck-mounted installation, this tap is perfect for baths with 2 tap holes. Thanks to its ceramic disc technology, you can enjoy long-lasting performance and effortless operation for years to come. But that's not all. The Niagara Bayswater Chrome Bath Shower Mixer Tap also comes with a convenient diverter handle, allowing you to easily switch between bath and shower mode. Complete with a shower handset, hose, and wall bracket, you can indulge in a luxurious shower experience whenever you desire. Elevate your bathing routine to new heights of style and functionality. Discover this and the rest of the Niagara Bayswater range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.